Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, it's going to be part one of part two on growing a small account. I'm going to do it here with IDEX. Last time I did a video on this, I did it with ticker symbol SOLO, solo. And on part two, I said take the profits when you have them. In this video, I'm actually going to go for a swing trade here with IDEX. I've been following it for quite a few weeks. On Robinhood, I ended up buying 500 shares last week. And today, well, I'm going to do a swing trade, and I'm doing it only with something around $200 and something because I'm going to save another video that I want to do on the same company for my other channel where I'm going to buy another 100 shares of it. Now, all these are short-term plays. I'm taking the gains when I have them, either with cash secure puts, covered calls, swing trades, or day trades. Now, if you're growing a small account on a $500, maybe even $1,000 account, and you're buying and holding for the longer term, there's nothing wrong with that, except some strategies are just going to take longer than others. I buy and hold too, but now I'm doing it with a little bit more capital. I grew the account much faster by taking the profits along the way on a short-term basis. That's just the way I do it. Now I focus on still short-term basis with covered calls, cash secure puts, and some of them that pay out a dividend for the long-term growth. But I'm doing it with more capital, so it's now kind of worth it to me to buy and hold. And that's just my opinion, my strategies. So don't copy my plays or anything like that. I just like sharing the ideas that I'm doing to grow the account little by little. Now, I'm actually going to end up buying 100 shares of IDEX here. And like I said, I'm going to go for a swing trade. Now, possibly I can turn this into a covered call, but I like selling the covered calls where I see some resistance. I don't like selling them at the bottom because I'm not going to get as much premium. Now, the expiration date that I would use for the covered call would be January 15th, and I would sell something around at the money or near the money around the $2.50 strike price. So I'm going to go ahead and buy some shares of it. And, you know, the thing I like about TD Ameritrade, you get all the information all in one platform here on the Thinkorswim platform. I mean, so if you guys want to download it, it is completely free. So let's buy 100 shares. Now, the difference between the bid and the ask is only 1 cent. I use market orders in this case. It doesn't mean you have to do it on your end. I mean, this is just the way I trade. Now, if you're buying stocks that have a big spread, let's say a 50-cent spread, and you're buying in increments of 100 or a lot more, then yes, you might want to do some limit orders because then you're losing out on a lot more money if you're buying market orders and the spread is like a lot more. In this case, it's only 1 cent between the bid and the ask. Now, like I said, I'm going for a swing trade. I'm going to do part two on this for you guys, whether I go with a covered call or I just simply take the profits on a swing trade. Now, it's a stock. It's one of the cheapest stocks I've been following and taking profits along the way. It doesn't mean you have to trade this. There's lots of other stocks out there that are fairly cheap that you can swing trade, day trade, trade options on it if you want. And I'm not recommending any stocks. I'm simply showing you what I'm doing to grow a small account. I follow these kind of stocks and see what they're doing. And if they're doing well, then I start putting more money into them. Same thing that happened to NEO. NEO I was trading when it was right around $2-3 a share. And now look at where it is. And I've been taking profits along the way with cash secure puts, covered calls, and even day trading. So this is just my opinion. Stay tuned for part two of this video. Thank you very much. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.